Hello students, welcome to class 8. I am Shikha ma'am here and this session is the last session of resources chapter number 1 part 3. So student, in the previous two videos we discussed about resources and their values, types of resources, in which we discussed only about natural resources and classification of natural resources. Now let's start. The first topic is human made resources. Means what is the meaning of human made resources? A human made resources is a resource that has been created through the act of human. Is it clear? That has been created through the act of human. For example, make road, building, school, machinery, vehicles, bridges, etc. known as human made resource because it is purely made by human. Some of them are building bridges, road, machinery, etc. In fact, technology is also a human-made resources, which bring us in the next topic, that is a human resource. Now, the second topic is what is a human resource. So, first of all, I want to say don't get confused in human-made resource or human resource. Now, let's start. What is human resource? So always remember, people are human resource. We are human resource because human are the potential to multiply the natural resources with the help of its knowledge, skill, technology. That is why human being education help in making people valuable resources. That is why we focus toward improving the quality of people skills so that they are able to create more resources, that is known as human resource development. Now, after reading the various type of resources, let's move on conserving resources. How to conserve resources? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Is it clear? I hope it is absolutely clear. And then balancing the need to use resource and conserve them for future is called what? It is called sustainable development. So conservation is very important. First we have to conserve the resource and then only we can use the resource. So some of the way for conserve the resources are recycling and reusing the things. So in all to conserve the resource, some of duties are: first, use of renewable resources. Second, we also conserve the diversity of life on the earth, that is protect the endangered species. We also need to cost minimum damage to natural environmental system, less cutting of tree. We need to preserve soil erosion. So now we have a broad view that the future of our earth and the people is directly linked with our potentiality and ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. I hope you will find this is more informative. Till then, bye, take care, keep learning, stay home, stay positive. Thank you.